Well, hey everyone, we just got in a shipment from, it looks like maybe Robert Kaufman. Yes, from Robert Kaufman. And this collection, looks like there's a couple different things in here. This is a batik group, so that, this is by the Lunds. It's called Nature's Canvas. So, and this one is Cayenne. Beautiful, nice red, cinnamony, kind of earthy color. Also in a darker shade. This is a brown bordering on red, and Nature's Canvas in russet. Another one is lovely branches. This is really cuttable and a non-directional, really nice in gold. Beautiful dark mixed brown umber color. Okay, this one's Nature's Canvas in earth, and notice the nice kind of floral design that has a lot of little teardrop shapes on it. Really good for all kinds of things, really. And then we have another one in the same motif, Nature's Canvas, and this one is called, I can't see, Juniper. Then it looks like we have another collection, and there's a follow-up box, so maybe there's more of these. This one's called Loose Leaf. Kind of a spirograph type of design in a beautiful mango shade, and this is called Coral. And finally in this box is another from Loose Leaf. Okay, and Loose Leaf, and this is an Aubergine. All right, box number 2 from Robert Kaufman. Let's see what's in here. I have a feeling it's probably more of the Loose Leaf collection. I thought it was really different and pretty, and I hope you do too. So, look at this gorgeous, I see, oh, there's so many things in the shop that will work with this Loose Leaf, and this is called Peach. I mean, just look over here. If I hold it up to some of the new cave stuff, gee whiz, all kinds of beautiful things we can do with this. And another Loose Leaf, I love this. Nice diagonal shapes in Sunset. Really, really pretty. Beautiful kind of mosaic-y motif. This one is called Weld in Honeysuckle. Oh gosh. And this one is called Loose Leaf. I think it says pomegranate. Obviously, I don't have my glasses on. Okay, and another one I like to call spirograph, and this one is Weld. It's in cranberry. Okay. Up. Back to Nature's Canvas. Nature's Canvas, and this one is in nature. Okay. Another Nature's Canvas. And let's see, this one is also called Nature. Nice leafy design. And finally, in Loose Leaf, really pretty leaves. Look at that. This is Currant. So come by Ladyfingers. Check out, well, this is on our YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss anything that's happening at Ladyfingers. And like our Facebook page. And of course, sign up for our email list. You can do that right on our website at ladyfingersewing.com. Thanks.